Oh, so you want to talk about utility coins? You ain't seen nothing yet. QORT, which powers the Qortal ecosystem, is the top-notch utility coin, and here are the top 3 things you could do with it right now. Let's go. So the first and most obvious way QORT is used on Qortal is as a reward for the minters. Minters are what keep the Qortal blockchain alive, keep it permissionless, keep it authentic. And to do so, all they have to do is keep a node running, whether that be on a Raspberry Pi, a laptop, or any other computer. Furthermore, anybody can become a minter, as long as they are admitted into the mentorship group, which they can do by simply proving that they are an active user of Qortal. Once they are admitted into the mentorship group, they can start validating transactions on the blockchain and earning QORT in exchange for it. So the second way in which QORT gets immense utility on Qortal is how it exchanges hands from one person to another super easily. So when a person creates an account on Qortal, they automatically obtain a QORT wallet, of course. And once they have a QORT wallet, they can start obtaining QORT, start sending some to other users as a tip, as a contribution. In other words, a whole economy is built on Qortal, and QORT is always exchanging hands depending on the use case. So for QApps, if you want to make a tip, you can do so very easily. Or if you're trying to raise some money on QFund, you can easily do so by sending QORT as a donation to that QFund. Which brings me to my third point, and the most biggest utility of QORT on Qortal is to power the QApps. The QApps on Qortal are what create the entire ecosystem and allow it to transform into an alternative internet. And to do so, you need energy and you need an economy, and QORT powers it all. So if you're trying to build a QApp as a developer, you can use QORT as a reward system to make transactions, for example, accept tips, accept donation, allow users to sell items in exchange for QORT, or perhaps even raise some funds through a crowdfunding service on Qortal. So QORT is the #1 utility coin for those top 3 reasons. So what are you waiting for to find your own utility for QORT?